Hello fashionista, welcome to Encoder Fashion. I'm Rose and today I want to show you guys how to use iDragon and tips and tricks on how to download the app, and let's get to it. This is my favorite. It looks like a flash drive. You can use it as a flash drive, but the benefit of this, you can actually transfer image from your favorite phone such as Apple and Android. Let me show you this trick. See right here? You can use this as Android. This iDragon comes with two slots. One slot is for microchip and another is for standard chip. So I'm gonna show you how to use this. I'm gonna put the standard memory chip in there. Okay? And I'm gonna show you to get the photo from the iPhone. At the same time, you can use that to actually make video, take a photo without worried about actually transfer a photo or transfer video, and I will show you those two things. So this is my iPhone. For iPhone, you need an app for it. Let me show you to download the app for the iDragon, and I will post this link for you so it will be easier for you to go in there and get exactly what you're looking for. Let me go to my app store and type in iDisk Pro, and I have to specify on the app that you're going to use. If you download the wrong app, it's not gonna work. Even though it say iDisk, but you have to go to iDisk Pro. That's right there. And here, come down here, you see iDisk Pro. So you're gonna click on it to download the app. Okay, so now open. And this is what it looks like after the app open. I'm gonna insert this flash drive, iDragon flash drive into my iPhone. Okay, so now it's insert. You have to wait for about 30 seconds or so for everything to load. This is what it appears after I load it. It's like this, the photo that's in my memory card. So you come to iPhone and you click on iPhone here. They ask you to would like to access your photo, so click OK because we want to allow that. And here, this is the photo that's in my iPhone. So what I'm gonna do is I want to transfer that photo into the memory card that I just plugged it in. So what you're gonna do, you click backup and tip, are you sure you want to back up all photo to iDisk Pro? And the answer is yes. So we're gonna click yes. Here it's backing up. During the backup process, I recommend to leave your phone alone. Do not touch it, do not unplug it. If you unplug, that thing would interrupt the file. So it doesn't take long, so only take like a few seconds for this moment. Now another tip, backup photo successfully, so click OK. That's how you transfer the photo from your phone to the memory card. Another thing that I want to show you is very important. When you plug this flash drive with the memory card in, you can go right here, click on, you see the camera symbol, and then you would say okay again because you want to allow the chip talking to your phone. So you would say okay. And here, so would like to access your microphone if you do a video. So click OK again, and here you would pick the photo if you want to take a photo. Let me take one photo with my favorite teddy bear. Okay, now the photo taken. Now I want to film, like make a video. So just slide over and then you would click record again, my favorite teddy bear over there. Then you click record. And it's now record. It's like about 4 or 5 seconds. I record everything. Now I can just hit stop. And what it does is you can click exit to exit out of it. So I will show you where all the photo and video go in my laptop. Now I'm here at the laptop, and this is the same iDragon flash drive and still have my memory card in there. So I'm gonna use that to plug into my laptop. It's very convenient, easy to use. So it's in my laptop right now, and here it just popped up right away. I named this iDragon because it's easier for me to go in and find it. Okay, as earlier I told you about, you have two spots. One is backup. Backup means the backup photo that you back up from your phone, and camera roll is when you use that phone while that chip plug in and film a video or take a photo. So let me show you the backup first. Backup is you back up everything from your phone. A selfie, a video, a photo that you took long ago, and everything gonna be in there. Let me show you the camera roll. When you go to camera roll, you will see photo and video. It's so cool. What happened, the stick itself in the app categorize for you. You click on photo and you will see the photo that I took earlier. This is the bear, the baby bear that I took earlier. Let me show that. Okay, that's a baby bear photo that I took earlier. And back to the camera roll, you go to video. This is the old video I took earlier, and here the baby bear again. That's the video I took, the baby bear. Very easy and convenient to use. Seriously, I'm really in love with this iDragon stick, and I hope these videos find you guys helpful.